Urban sophistication in uptown Oakville. Trafalgar Road and Dundas, the new heart of the city. A new architectural landmark, striking modern design, refined, approachable elegance. Steps to everything you need. Minutes to the QEW 407 and GO train. Indulgent retail therapy right around the corner. Explore parks and trails in your own backyard. Skip a stone on a quiet pond. Get to 3 recreation centers in 5 minutes. Reach for your dreams at Sheridan College. Great local schools and prestigious private schools. Savor the flavor of superb local restaurants. Step into a world of luxury in your stunning lobby. Greet guests in the plush seating lounge. Count on a friendly welcome from your executive concierge. Get down to business in your co-work lounge. Feel the pulse of your state-of-the-art fitness room. Find nirvana in your yoga studio. Meet friends in the Rooftop Lounge. Host the event of the year in your party room with lounge. Step out to your beautifully landscaped rooftop oasis. Have cocktails under the stars. Barbecue and dine in the pergola, or just catch some rays on a summer afternoon. Live your life in casual, modern elegance. Oak Park is designed for comfortable living and lavish entertaining. Sunlit balconies, stunning and spacious open-concept designs. Primary bedroom with sumptuous ensuite. With superb finishes and spaces detailed to perfection. Step up to life at the Villages of Oak Park. Upscale living in uptown Oakville.